your boy O, back with another video. Fresh for Less is the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today we just gonna get straight to it. Y'all see the Nike boxes. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, core purple, black, white, violet, yada, yada, yada. Got a size 9.5, I picked up from Villa. Got a size 10, I picked up from Nike. So retail was $170. So let's check the shoe out. And there they go. Very nice shoe. Got the material on the tongue. Let's take it out. Do that toe box check. Let's see how it feels. Not bad. It's soft. Let's check out the Nike pair. It's crazy how you can see like a differences in toe boxes between, this is a 10, this is a 9.5, even though the sizes don't matter. But this is the pair from Villa and the pair from Nike's toe box. Got like a few more wrinkles in them. That's a crazy difference. It's like this toe box is a little more stiffer. This one's a little more looser. Let me see what the other shoe looks like. So this pair has a few wrinkles in the toe box too. Take that tree out. The pair from Nike is way softer, way more wrinkles. But I'd rather the stiffer pair. Just because I hate toe box creasing. But let's take a look. Now they went with, like the pine greens, they went with the leather Nike Air on the tongue, which is nice. The insides, just a purple Nike sign. Purple bottoms. Pretty much you've seen the Jordan 1, you've seen them all, you know. The laces are a lighter purple. I mean, from right here, it looks like shades of purple. Yeah, it just looks like shades of purple. So it's not exactly the same purple that's on the shoe. But yeah, I'm about to try these on, give y'all an on foot look real quick. Just give me a second to lace them up. Alright guys, that's it for this quick video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for checking us out. Gonna have more videos coming soon. I'm out.